to do it with him.
Okay, love that.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my friend, me, and I'm Bree, and we just want to make a little video to show you how to use the microwave so that you are not at risk of getting cancer. Okay, allow me to demonstrate, please. Imagine that you want to put something in the microwave, okay?
That's so big.
You have to be very careful, okay?
Wait, no.
It's okay, it's okay, it's alright.
Okay.
Now be me. Can you please turn on the microwave? Be careful, okay? Be careful. 1 minute. But just don't get too close, okay? Alright. Okay, careful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Beep.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We're good.
Oh, wait. We have to wait for it to cook.
Yeah.
Okay, now you have to show them how to take it out.
2, 1. Beep.
It's done now. Bring
Okay,
it out.
you have to get it out. I don't want to get sick from that.
I don't want to get cancer. Oh no. You're gonna smack it. How do you get it out?
No, I can't.
Okay, careful.
Bree,
Careful.
your
You're trying to take it out. Oh, the cookie's burning! Yay!
And that is how you use the microwave so that you won't be at risk of getting cancer. Thank you.